In this tip of the day, let's take a look at using a 3D boundary to help reduce cycle time. In this example, you can see we have a part and we have a 3D pocket. Now, typically, you could use just a standard wireframe boundary like we see right here to perform the toolpath. In fact, if I perform a pocket operation on that, that will definitely work, but we can be much more efficient than this. In fact, why don't we take a look at the cycle time? I'm going to double click on the toolpath group and quickly go into our job sheet. And you can see our cycle time is 8 minutes, 20 seconds. We can make this much better. All right, so what we're going to do is this. We're going to take a look at a 3D boundary that I've created. I'm going to turn these other layers off. And notice how I've created a solid model that represents the profile of the part without the pocket. In fact, if I overlay the part, you can see what I've done there. I'm going to be using this 3D solid as a 3D boundary. This is going to drastically reduce the cycle time. So let's edit our operation by right-hand mouse clicking, edit operation, and then we're going to push through the dialog boxes until we get right here. And there's an option called Machine from Stock. What you want to do is select the little arrow, and this is going to list all of the layers for this particular part. What you want to do is select the layer that contains the solid that's going to represent your 3D boundary. And of course, that layer can have any name you want. I'm just going to select our layer here, 3D boundary. We'll click Next, 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 and Finish. Let OneCNC generate the toolpath. Let's quickly go to a front view. If you take a look at our toolpath, you can see we've gotten rid of all those wasted air cuts. In fact, we've reduced the cycle time by almost 50%. If we go back into our job sheet, you can see now the cycle time has been reduced to 4 minutes, 52 seconds. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.